A hidden control center on your laptop puts key settings in one place. In this video, we will explain how to use Windows Mobility Center. This handy tool gathers the most important laptop settings into a single window, saving you from digging through menus. To open it, right-click the Start button and select Mobility Center, or search for it in the Start menu. Once open, you will see several tiles, each controlling a common laptop function. Adjust your screen brightness with a simple slider. Control your volume or mute it instantly. Check your battery status and switch power plans quickly. Toggle your wireless connection on or off. Manage external display settings for connecting to a projector or monitor. Some laptops add extra tiles from the manufacturer, like a presentation mode that prevents interruptions during a slideshow. The Mobility Center is especially useful for people who frequently adjust these settings, like travelers and presenters. Instead of opening separate menus for each function, everything you need is right here. Keep it in mind for quick adjustments. Once you discover the Mobility Center, managing your laptop's essential settings becomes faster and far more convenient.